It's nice. It's definitely a nice motor.
Alright guys, it's time to start putting this thing back together. Crazy. Yeah. Alright guys, we got the 1.9 liter BP motor back with SuperTech 83.5 millimeters. We got the head right there, completely done. Head studs over there, torque wrench. It's gonna be good. So we'll go ahead and flip this motor over and let's get started. And we're back. Check it out. All right, so we got the ARP head studs. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start placing these right inside the block here. Right here, we're gonna start placing these. The Allen goes facing up, and then our non-Allen part is gonna thread down into the engine. Got my ARP lube right here. We're gonna go ahead and lube these up, get these all inside the engine, and get it back together real quick. Alright guys, went ahead, got the studs on. Cool. It's looking good. So all I did was hand tighten those. Nothing crazy. We didn't apply anything else onto it because we're not there at that step yet. But went ahead, took each of them, sprayed it with some brake cleaner, lubed it, put it in the block. Make sure it's all clean and nice and in there. So looking like we're good to go. Alright guys, got the gasket. Went ahead and took this. What is that? It's a 3/16 Allen key. Went ahead and went all the way through, hand tightened them, and just, you know, make sure it was all hand tightened, nothing crazy. Like I said, we didn't do no type of torquing. So now what we're gonna do, make sure I got this on correctly. Say it ain't so. It might be, probably not. All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it. You know, my wonderful cameraman behind the scenes, always making sure I'm good. Okay. Oh God.
All right, here we go. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Look, it took like 3 takes before you got to this clip. I'm gonna let you know now. Don't play me. It's okay. I'm trying. We got it. We got it on here. Ooh.
He made it happen. He said, I've been working hard. We got that head gasket, though. Let them know what kind of head gasket that is.
Oh, yeah. I got this Fel Pro. Actually, I'm going to throw the link up in the video and put a little picture right here. You already know how I do it. So, I'm going to let y'all know what that is. So, yeah, guys. Honestly, I'm going to break this down to you. So, we got the SuperTech 83.5 millimeter pistons. We got max speeding rod, forged connecting rods. The pistons are also forged. So, it's looking good. We got everything up to speed, up to date. And now it's time to throw on the head. Greased up, shoddy. Oh God.
Tell me where to go.
Here we go. Hang on, wait.
Tell me where to go.
Hang on. Tab, since you're lower, let me do it. Go up. Stop. Bring it over. So, right there. Okay, be careful. Okay. Boom. Wow.
Let's go.
It's coming back. I see it.
Let me talk to him.
I see it.
First of all, I got my hands a little greasy, but y'all see it. We got to have this high horsepower Miata motor coming back 1.9. Don't forget who brought it to you. Coming out of Vegas, Cre8tive Garage. It's going down.
Ooh. Let's ride.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it. It's game time. Anyways, we back. So check it out, check it out, check it out. I had to go get this little 13 piece from Home Depot. Horrible. But anyway, so we got it.
You don't know how much it costs.
It was about like $6.47. I'm gonna throw the link up there.
With what?
That's after tax.
But what did it come with?
Oh, lifetime warranty.
Oh God.
Yeah, I forgot. We don't. If it don't got lifetime warranty, I don't want it. I'm gonna tell you that right now. It's a waste. So we're gonna go ahead, torque all the bolts in 3 rounds. First round, 20 foot-pounds. Second round, 40 foot-pounds. Third round, 65, and that's it. So let's go ahead. We'll jump to the time lapse and we'll torque it up. Cool. All of this torqued up, ready. Ooh wee, check it out, check it out, check it out. Cool, 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 cool. So we got the head torqued up. It's looking good right here. And I'm excited. Once again, one step closer to going ahead and getting the car put together. That forged. It's gonna be really a different experience, so really can't wait. Hope you guys are ready. It's gonna be looking good, freshly painted. We drip. Alrighty, good shit, guys. All right.
So, job complete. Now listen, in this next episode, we're gonna start putting stuff back onto the block. We're gonna really bring you guys along with bringing this from just getting it back from the machine shop to getting it back into the car, because we didn't really do the full breakdown on mine. We are doing the full breakdown on this one, so be prepared for the 1.9. It will roar. It will roar.
All right, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Put the head together. Motor's ready to go. We're gonna get it popping. So we'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna go ahead and get this all buttoned up and ready to put in the car. And on that note, shout out to the team that does it best, and that's Cre8tive Garage.